set fire to your hair. Focus stick out and grizzly bear. Eat medicine that's out of date. Use your private parts as piranha bait. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Get your toast out with a fork. Do your own electrical walk. Teach yourself how to fly. Eat a 2-week-old unrefrigerated pie. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Invite a psycho killer inside. Scratch a drug dealer's brand new ride. Take your helmet off in outer space. Use a clothes dryer as a hiding place. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Keep a rattlesnake as a pet. Sell both your kidneys on the internet. Keep a team of super clean. I wonder what's this red button doing? Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dress up like a moose during hunting season. Stubbornness of wasp for no good reason. Stand on the edge of a train station platform. Drive around the boom, get at a level crossing. Run across the tracks between the platforms. They may not rhyme, but that cry for the please. Dumbest ways to die. Dumbest ways to die. Dumbest ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Be safe around James. A message from Metro.